This clever suitcase transforms into a storage unit with a quick setup. Inside, you'll find 3 durable shelves and handy exterior pockets. It's perfect for camping trips or emergency storage needs. Perfect for off-grid relaxation, wood fire hot tubs can be powered by either wood fire or barbecue gas. No electricity is needed. Thanks to the thermosiphon system, hot water rises naturally while cooler water gets pulled in, keeping the tub cozy and warm. Ideal for your next adventure. If you're into bikepacking, backpacking, or hiking, the Maruta tent is a game changer. Set it up with your bike, hiking poles, or camping poles. It's ultra compact, fits on your road bike handlebar, and weighs just 1.6 kilo. Perfect for any adventure. Darch is an Australian camping gear expert. Their newest standout is the Eclipse Cube Shower Tent. Designed to mount on your roof rack or rails, it offers portable privacy wherever you roam. The polyester walls come with a black privacy coating for added discretion. Plus, you can remove the roof to enjoy a shower under the open sky, merging convenience with a touch of outdoor freedom. This little burner is a camper's dream. Compact, light, and ready to go with just a gas canister. It opens and closes effortlessly, making meal prep a breeze wherever you pitch your tent. Transform your caddy van into a complete camper setup with this innovative box. It's packed with essentials: a fold-out table, a USB charger supporting up to 220V, a 25-liter fresh water tank, and even a built-in shower. Utilize ample cupboard space for storage, dine comfortably on the sturdy rear table, and when it's time to rest, unfold the 110x200cm bed in the back seats. Ideal for on-the-go adventures and comfortable camping on wheels. Say hello to the One, your ultimate outdoor cooking companion. With foldable panels and versatile grilling and cooling modules, it's your portable solution for cooking, boiling, grilling, and chilling in no time flat. Ever tried Surviveware's Stormproof matches? They're built for the toughest conditions. These matches come in a heavy-duty waterproof container, ensuring reliability even in rough weather. The ABS plastic casing keeps your strikers dry and afloat when it gets wet. Ideal for camping and outdoor adventures in unpredictable weather. Ever heard of Scrubba's pocket-sized washing machine? No electricity needed. It saves about 1,000 liters, 264 gallons of water, and 21 kilowatt of electricity per year. Perfect for travelers and eco-conscious folks looking to simplify laundry sustainably. Ever seen Scout? It's a compact camper designed for biking to your favorite spots. Sets up in minutes for instant shade and rain protection. Customize the door and extend the fabric for extra shelter. Lightweight and durable, it's easy to pack up and tow behind your bike. Perfect for adventurers who crave easy, flexible camping. Travelers will find the Scrubba Stealth Pack indispensable. Not only does it incorporate Scrubba's innovative internal washboard, but it also introduces new features for washing clothes, keeping gear dry, and facilitating showers anywhere you travel. Say goodbye to the hassle of restacking kindling repeatedly with the innovative kindling collector. In just under 15 seconds, it enables cutting, collecting, and comfortably carrying your kindling. Its clever design not only simplifies the process, but also minimizes the risk of hand injury or clothes getting dirty during transport. The glider offers a versatile solution for outdoor comfort and rain protection. With its quick setup, you can enjoy lounging under the stars in just minutes. Camping has become increasingly popular, with more than half of Americans now participating in outdoor activities. This multifunctional bag combines a 20-liter dry storage capacity with an innovative inflating feature for camping mats. Its wide opening effortlessly allows air to be introduced into the dry sack, while the integrated valve plug ensures efficient inflation directly into the sleeping pad. The 36-inch splint from Surviveware is a vital tool for emergencies. It includes easy-to-follow illustrations to help you customize its size for the specific injury and affected body parts. When not in use, this portable closet collapses to a height of just 10 centimeters.